Okay, this is how to do your age check. I'll explain what all this is later. Right now, you just need to know how to get it and get it on your Excel. So before you do this, you need to stop, go to your Excel, and make sure you've made a tab at the bottom for age check, okay? If you have not made that tab for age check, stop this video, go do that, and then come back to it. All right, so in Karen's email, she has a thing up here called age check, okay? So you're going to double click that. You're probably going to have to get permission. I hope this isn't super boring. I'm making all these videos. Okay, it's freezing in my house right now. Okay, I'm pretty sure you know this, but you have to enable the content so that you can, I'm a dumbass. I gotta have you over here. Okay, there we go. So you got to enable the content to get that. You missed that part. Anyway, you'll figure it out. All right, so you need to come over here to Homeroom Teacher. You're going to filter for you. And then you're going to come up here to column 1A, and you're going to go all the way over to SPED Teacher and go all the way down to your kids. Wait for it. You're going to copy, which is Control C. Then you're going to go over to, hold on a second, you're going to pull up your Excel, your 22, 23 Excel. You're going to go, hold on, let me situate everything so you can, so you can see everything. Sorry, God, my mouth is terrible. Okay, so down here, dang, my video thing is in the way. Down here, you can see age check, okay? I'm not going to go there because I don't want to, like, put yours on mine, but you're going to go to age check. You're going to go up here to the top. You're going to put your cursor there, and then you're going to hit Control V. And hold on a second. Let me do, because there's nothing here. Pretend like this says age check. You're going to come up here, and then you're going to do Control V like Victor. And then all your shit's going to be there, okay? Now, what are you going to do with all that? I'll explain that later, but you have to get the age check in there, okay? So, I don't want all your nasty ass kids in there. I got to get that deleted, like, now. Anyway, but you get the point. So go ahead and do that. And then that's how you get your age check on there. I'll explain what to do with it later. Okay? Oh my God, now I screwed everything up. All right, I'll figure it out.